Hi guys, I'm Riza from DND Diamond 1 Carat Gems and Jewels. Solitaire versus Hello versus 3 Stone. Which sell the most and why? The 3 most popular style of engagement rings. As a jeweler, you need to know which one sells more and why. First one is Solitaire ring, the timeless and classic. Shoot in every budget and loved by every customer. A consistent seller in both India and international market. Second is Hello. Make a small stone look bigger. Great value for money and more sparkle. Preferred by mid-range customers. Last one is 3 Stone. A symbol of past, present and future. High emotional value. Trending in international market. Based on our export data, Solitaire gets the most records, but the Halo converts the fastest in store. Which one sells most in your shop? Comment below. DM us ring. We will send the full range and pricing for all 3 styles.